Hi. Habits that make people like you immediately. Yes, immediately. Number 1. Smile. A genuine smile is one of the simplest ways to make a good impression. It shows that you are friendly, approachable, and confident. Number 2. Listen actively. People love to talk about themselves, and if you can show that you are genuinely interested in what they have to say, they will appreciate it. Active listening involves paying attention, asking questions, and providing feedback. Number 3. Be positive. A positive attitude is contagious, and people are naturally drawn to those who exude positivity. Make an effort to see the best in people and situations, and you'll be surprised at how quickly others will respond positively to you. Number 4. Show gratitude. Expressing gratitude is a powerful way to build connections with others. Showing appreciation for small acts of kindness or for simply being in someone's company can make a big difference in how people perceive you. Number 5. Be helpful. Helping others is a great way to build relationships. When you offer to help someone, you are showing that you care about them and that you want to make their life easier. Number 6. Show interest in others. People love to feel interesting and important. Show interest in people by asking questions, paying attention to their opinions, and remembering details about their lives. Number 7. Be honest and authentic. Authenticity is essential in building trust and relationships. Being honest and genuine allows people to see the real you, and it makes them feel more comfortable around you. Number 8. Be a good team player. Being a good team player means working well with others and being willing to collaborate. Show a positive attitude, be open to feedback, and be willing to help out when needed. Number 9. Be open-minded. Being open-minded means being willing to consider new ideas, perspectives, and experiences. It shows that you are curious, interested, and eager to learn. When you are open-minded, people feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and ideas with you, and it makes them feel like they are contributing to the conversation. Number 10. Practice good body language. Your body language can say a lot about you, even before you speak. Maintaining good eye contact, a firm handshake, and an open posture can help to establish trust and make people feel more comfortable around you. By following these simple habits, you can make a great impression and build strong relationships with the people around you. What do you think? Do you have other habits? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with friends and loved ones. I suggest you watch this video, you will like it.